Oh me, oh my, does this not surprise anybody that Lily is wanting to come out? It is Sunday morning. I am getting the room warmed up. It's about 25 in here at the moment, so not cold, but certainly not warm enough, really, for this girl to come on out. So I've been holding off on her coming out. Of course, she'll head higher, and that of course is warmer than lower. So I know the temperatures up there will be a little bit warmer, and I'll actually walk around. I haven't even put, as you can see, lights on. It's I could, but Sunday morning. I'll be flicking them on very soon, but I'll take the temperature up there. That's 22. Well, when you know, it's an object heat, not air heat too, so it's very hard to judge. But yeah, it's not warm enough. But of course, Lily could care less, pretty much. That is how it is for Lily. She could care less whether it was 20 out here, 5 degrees out here. She would want to come on out. So I hate seeing her go and pace. You know, Mum, can you see me? Mum, are you going to open that door? Mum, I really want to come out. And it's a beautiful morning. I can see the sun is shining out there. So it's going to be a day where I will be able to get Lily out and actually take her outside. So there's also that part of it that how long can I hold Lily off from wanting to come out? Now, that's the point. I hold Lily off from coming out. Not about when is Lily going to come out. Oh, I'll have to get Lily out. She hasn't been out for a while. My story with Lily is putting it off sometimes. But I know her pacing is her signaling to me, I want to come out. Are you going to get me out? So, you know, this theory that, you know, snakes prefer to stay in their homes is not the case. A snake that has not had time with you, is not comfortable with you, does not feel safe with you. No, they don't want to come out at all. Yep, they'll want to stay in their homes. But once you've developed a bond, as I have with Lily, you're going and will get the complete opposite. And in saying that, is that going to be with every snake that you have in your life? Eventually. But some more than others are more that way inclined. And Lily is a prime example of it. Myah is a prime example of it. Apani, even Jack is. Jesse, that insecurity he has about his own body is his problem, not me. He's never been defensive to me and who I am. But I'm going to weaken, I guess is the word. She stops. The door's sliding. So, hello, Lily? The door's open. Not that I feel that you should be coming on out yet, because it's nippy out here. But what I'll actually do is warm up or turn the heating up a little. I'm just giving her a pat so she knows, Mum's hand's in. This way, cheeky. This way, cheeky gal. Hello. Hello, darling. Good morning. Good morning, darling. How you been? Well, she says, I've been waiting on you to open the door for me. That's what I've been doing, Mum. It's taken you a while, but you finally did it. That's what I mean. I don't need to. Yeah, her heater's working fine. To bring Lily out. She's very capable of. And it's going to be dark because, yeah, no, I moved that, didn't I? Sorry. There she goes. She's found her way through that and to where she wants to go. So my day begins always and generally, of course, with a snake, and more often than not, it's Lily. So it's a great Sunday. And I will be taking Lily outside a little bit later and letting her get some sunshine. And I hope this video hasn't been, of course, too dark, because I've got no lights on, as you can see. So, little video of course, Lily doing her thing. Always doing her thing. And that's what I love about her. This is a socialized snake. This is a snake who loves being out with humans and having a time with her human friend, the person that she knows she can trust and is going to take good care of her. And that's what I'm here for, is to love her, care for her, and show her a great life that she can have living here with me. So guys, take care of your family, friends, yourself, your snakes, your animals. Ciao.